In this animated adventure with me and my pal Buck, you'll discover how your money earns money, then that new money earns even more like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger with every turn. We'll see how 10-year-old Alex's initial $100 grows faster and faster thanks to compound interest, compared to someone who starts later. The key is time and starting early. Even small amounts saved consistently can turn into a mountain of money. Here's how to get started. Start small, start now. Every bit counts. Find a good money-growing home. Look for savings accounts that pay interest. Be patient and consistent. Compound interest is like planting a garden. It grows over time. You have the power to make your money work for you and create a bright financial future. You've unlocked a secret many adults wish they knew sooner. If you're ready to become a money-smart superhero, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and tell us in the comments what's the first thing you lions do to start your money compounding journey. Share this video with anyone who needs to unlock their money superpower. Thanks for watching, future millionaires. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep compounding.